Hello everyone, happy Father's Day to all men, to all fathers worldwide. Today is Sunday, happy Father's Day once more. You're welcome to my channel. I am Folake Orebi. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for always being there for me. Today I just want to introduce to you my Father's Day video. I'm doing this for all fathers that are watching me now. So what am I going to talk about today? I'll be talking about how you can upload all your thumbnails into your videos, and at the same time you can change some of your thumbnails so that it can be more catchy and can go viral. So on this video I'll be teaching us how to upload your thumbnails that you have done through CapCut, through Thumbnail Maker, and through Guru and so other apps like that. So how can you upload it into your YouTube channel? That is what I'll be treating today. Kindly stay by.
Now we are going to YouTube app. This is YouTube app. I want to show you how to upload your video on YouTube. I'll be using two steps. This is the first step. Now you go and pick your video from the gallery, or when you get to YouTube, you press a video, then you press the plus sign. It takes you to your gallery. Then you look for the video that you want to upload. This is the video I'm going to upload now. So this is it on YouTube app. So at this place, you'll be asked to fill your title. You fill your title that you want to use for the video. Now I'm filling the title. You have to put in the title of the video that matches the video that you have uploaded. So you have to use a nice title so that it will attract people. So after filling the title, then you go to description. See, I'm still filling the title. I'm still typing the title. After that, you go to description. So you describe your video. And at this point, you can easily ask them to subscribe, to like, to share your video in this area, in this description page. You put a lot of links. If you have another video, let me say at this place, you can write a lot of stories there. You can add some of the other links that of your video that you have done. So at this place, I think this is visibility. You can put in public or private or unsubscribe, but now I put it in private because I have not put my thumbnail. So here it asks for country, location, then I put Nigeria. On this place, the other one is asking for what is it called? Okay, at this place is asking, do you want people to remix with voice, to remix the video or the voice alone? But I put they can remix both the video and the sound. So you can click on the third one that says no, you don't want them to remix anything. So I put it in the first one that people can remix. So at the same time, I think okay, it's asking for comments here. Do you want people to comment? If you want people to comment, you say your yes, and if not, you say no. So before you upload, it's asking, is it for children? I say no, it is not for children. You put it that is not for children, then that is not for children, that is for adults. So after you have done that, it will ask you to upload. So you can see it is uploading here. You can see the video is uploading here. Now it has finished uploading. It has finished uploading. Then you go and click on your YouTube Studio, which you have downloaded from your Google Play Store. So you go to video. You go to video. This is the video that we just uploaded now for this tutorial class. This is this video. Can you see? So now I'm going to show you how to upload your thumbnail, which is the major topic of today, how to upload your thumbnail. So you click on this arrow sign just like pencil. It will take you to this place. Then you click. See, we have filled all this. All this question has been answered. And don't forget, it's still in private. So you click on the arrow up. Then you come down to this customize thumbnail. Then you click on it. It will take you to your gallery. It take you to your gallery, and you now pick the thumbnail that you have designed for that video that you have uploaded. So you pick on the thumbnail that you have done for the video. You click on it. I'm still looking for the thumbnail. I'm still looking for the thumbnail. Then you press on it, see the thumbnail. Then you now come and save. This is the thumbnail I want to use for it. Then you now press save. So after pressing save, you still need to go down to check a lot of things that you might have not filled in. Like here is asking me to push hashtag. Then you push hashtag video, viral video. You can hashtag viral video. You can hashtag YouTuber. Depends on hashtag that you want to use. And don't forget, the use of hashtag is to take your video to so many places that you have hashtags. So you need to hashtag a lot of places. Then it's asking, do you want your video to be remixed? This is it. I say yes. And at the same time, it's asking for a category. This is the category side. Is it car? Is it car? Is it education? Is it sports? Whatsoever it is it entertainment video? But this one is educational video, so I put on education. And at the same time, it's asking for comments. Do I want people to comment or not? So I say yes. I say yes. Comment. I put the comment on. So what else again? So after checking that everything is okay by you, after checking, you have to check very well before you save. So it's asking. So I put it in public now. Since I have done everything, I have cross-checked everything. Then I have to save. So now that I have saved, you click it. You click. Now that I have saved, then I will check it on YouTube. You will see the arrow sign, the last arrow sign. You press on it, it takes you to YouTube, and that is it. That is how you upload your video, and that is how you upload your thumb tag. So to the next one, if you want to upload your thumbnail, you want to change your thumbnail. You want to change your thumbnails. You have uploaded before, you want new thumbnails. This is what you are going to do. It's just the same, it's the same thing, but let's go through it. You go to YouTube Studio. You know all these thumbnails problem, you have to do them on a YouTube Studio. So you go and check the video that you want to change the thumbnails. After you have designed the thumbnail, you go to YouTube Studio and press on the video that you really want to upload, that you want to change the thumbnail. Then this is it. So I've clicked on it, and I want to change the thumbnail of this video. It has thumbnail before, but I want to change it. Then you click on new project. I think it's new thumbnail, this black one. You click on it, then it take you to your gallery. Then you locate the the new thumbnail that you have just made, that you want. This is the new thumbnail I want to put on it. I've clicked on it and it has taken me here. So before you save, you have to go down to check if the title is still the same. If you want to use the title, you change the title, and if you don't want to use it, if you don't want to change, you leave it. But I'm changing my title. I want another new title as well. So I will type the title I want. So I'm typing the title accordingly to the video. Please don't use another title that will not fit the video that you are doing, that you have done. So you put in the title of the video that you have done before, that you are changing the thumbnail. So don't let me forget, at this point, please subscribe to my channel. This is ShiningFolake Orebiye. Please subscribe to my channel. Please click the notification bell and press the like button so that this content can go far. So at the same time, you have to add description. So what did you want to write about the video? What did you want people to know about the video? And at this point, you can ask people to subscribe for you, to comment, and to share. And at the same time, on this description, you can put other videos link. You can add your link. Even if you are a marketer, you can put your marketing stuff there. Maybe you have affiliate link. You can put your affiliate link on this description. Anything you want to put, there is space for you on this description. You can wish anybody anything you want to do. So at this point, is public already, because the video is on already. So it's on public. And if you want to put it in private, but it's on public already, don't mind the information coming on. I'm using this screen recording. So at the same time, he's asking for set visibility, private or public. So you still need to cross check. You select your audience. It's not make for kid, so you have to put that one. At the same time, it's asking for playlist. Depends on how many playlists you want, and depends on the playlist you want to set in. But me, I'm going for all the playlists which I have done. So what is the next thing? So this more options. So this is more option, that is asking for hashtag. You hashtag as many platform as possible. You can hashtag a viral video. You can hashtag YouTuber. The more you hashtag, the more they will see your video, because as you're hashtagging, your video will be going there. So the more you hashtag, you can hashtag yourself, you can hashtag whosoever you hashtag, they will see your video. So now it's going on category. Which category of video are you doing? Is it car? Is it entertainment? Is it blogging? Whatsoever is there. But for this video is education. So I click on education. So it's asking for comment. Do you want people to comment? If you want people to comment, you say you put it on, and off if you don't want, or you say never. But I want people to comment, I put it on. So you have to check very well before you save. So I'm still checking. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. So now I'm checking before now I have saved. Can you see? I've uploaded my new thumbnail to an old video. This is how you are going to go about it. It is easy for you to upload the video on YouTube, and at the same time for you to change your thumbnail. Thank you very much for staying by. See you next time. Thank you.